Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Square with Xero. This integration streamlines your payment processing and accounting by automatically syncing your Square transactions directly into Xero, saving you hours of manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors in your financial records. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the Xero homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready, as you'll need full access to your Xero account to set up this integration properly. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a 9-dot icon. This icon is your gateway to Xero's extended features and marketplace. Click on it and an expanded window will appear with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Open Xero App Store. This will take you to Xero's comprehensive app marketplace where you can browse and connect various business tools. You'll now be redirected to the app integration page. This page houses all the usable apps readily available for integration with your Xero account, offering solutions for everything from inventory management to payment processing. Take a moment to scroll down and see the various options and useful apps available. When you're ready, locate the search bar positioned at the top part of your screen and type in Square. This will filter the results to show you Square-related integration options. From the search results that appear, click on Square with the description that reads Payments and Point of Sale. This is the official Square integration you need for syncing your payment data with Xero. You'll now be directed to Square's overview page within the Xero App Store. This page contains valuable information about what the integration offers. Scroll down slowly and read through all the benefits and key features of this app integration. Understanding these features will help you make the most of the connection between Square and Xero and ensure it meets your business needs. Once you've reviewed the information and decided to proceed, click on the Get This App button located at the top part of this page. This initiates the integration process and prepares your Xero account to connect with Square. You'll see another page with detailed information about the integration benefits. Read through this content again to further understand how it can help your business operations run more smoothly. Scroll down until you find the button labeled Get Started and click on it. This action will redirect you to the Square sign-up page where you'll either create a new account or sign into an existing one. On the Square sign-up page, enter your email address and assign a strong, secure password. Next, choose your location from the available options as Square's services vary by region. Make sure to click on the checkbox to agree to Square's terms of service and privacy policy, as this is required to proceed. Then click on Create Account to set up your new Square account. Alternatively, if you already have a Square account, you can simply click on the Sign In button and log in with your existing credentials. After signing in, the final step is straightforward. All you have to do is authorize all the connection and data requests that appear on your screen. These authorization prompts are essential for smooth data synchronization between Square and Xero. By granting these permissions, you're allowing the two platforms to communicate securely and share transaction data automatically, which means your payment information will flow seamlessly into your accounting records. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Square with Xero, and your payment data will now sync automatically between both platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.